This is the Domino XL 700. And if you put a wrench in right here and pry up, the front will pop off, making it so you can easily change your bits. It also makes it easy for me to show you how it makes those oval shaped holes. Now don't ever run the machine without this front piece, but I'm gonna do it really quick just to show you how it works. There's basically two movements, one that makes the bit go back and forth and one that makes it spin. To change the bit, you push down this button and spin it till it locks, and then use your wrench and then spin the bit off. Now this domino will take bits that are 8, 10, 12, and 14 millimeter for a wide range of domino sizes, as well as a wide range of mechanical connectors. Now the different size bits allow you to make different size ovals for different sizes of dominoes. And then to adjust for different lengths, you use this part down here. And there's 3 movable components and a scale. The scale goes from 15 to 70 millimeters, 70 being the maximum depth with the largest bit that you can get. Let's say you had a 100 millimeter domino and you wanted it to go equally into the 2 pieces of wood you were joining. You would set this at 50, and then you can make 2 50 millimeter holes for your 100 millimeter domino. Or you might want to split it 40 millimeters into one and 60 into the other. You would move this first one to 40 and the second one to 60, and you can easily move back and forth between those two for the different cuts you'll be making. Now right here is a lever that flips back and forth. And that's for this selector up here that allows you to go between a tight fitting domino and a loose fitting domino. If you loosen this knob here, it allows you to lower the reference plate, and you'll hear there's positive indents at common angles all the way along. Right here is the depth stop gauge that you can use to set the depth of the reference plate. Now you'll notice on the side there's a green button here and a green button here. If you push these, indexing pins will come out that you can use to make repeatable holes without having to use a pencil and tape measure. And any ones that you're not using, you can clip back in place so they're out of the way. It also comes with 3 useful attachments. The first one is 2 extension pieces for the indexing pins. And they'll slide right here in the side and lock in place. And then this piece can slide back and forth to whatever distance you need to make repeatable holes. And then this one fits on the other side. Now the next one is called a trim stop, and it slides right on like this and has adjustable plates that you can use for narrow pieces like railing, so you can get centered, repeatable mortise cuts. And the last one is a support bracket, which attaches right down here on the bottom for if you're working with narrow pieces or if you're doing vertical plunge cuts. And last thing to point out right here is the dust port.